I welcome all of you guys in the lesson number 51 for grade 2 mathematics. We were learning about the time, we have learned about the time, and we were practicing about it. Now you can write the time in the numbers and even you can read it. I'm going to check it from the book. What is the time shown on the clock? The minute hand is not pointing to 6 or 12 now. So it is not 3 o'clock or half past 3. You know it. Whenever you have to check the time, first you will check the hour hand, that is at 3, then you will check the minute hand. So it is 3, but it is not at 12. That's mean how many minutes have been passed? At 1 5 minutes have been passed. So the minute hand take 5 minutes to move from the digit 12 to the digit 1. That's, it is 5 minutes after 3 o'clock. Exactly, it is 5 minutes after 3 o'clock, and we can say that time is 3:05. How we'll say the time is 3:05. Okay, or we can write it like this, 3:05. So 3 o'clock after 5 minutes, it will be 3:05. What time will be when the minute hand points to the 2, guys? You know it very well. When it will come to the 2, so it will be 3:10. As you know, it at 15, 3:15, 3:20. So it will be 3:10. You know it that there are 60 minutes in 1 hours. Okay. And every from one number to another number, there are total 5 minutes. What time is it on the clock below? So you can check here, guys. The hour hand is between 5 and 6. Okay. So it is not reached up to 6. That's mean hour is still 5. You will go for before 5, and the minute is, you have to count 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and 35. There are 35 minutes. 35 minutes have been passed. So you will say the minute hand is pointing on to the 7. That's mean it is 35 minutes after 5 o'clock. Or you can say the time is 5:35. Okay, 5:35. 35 after 5 minutes. 35 minutes after 5 o'clock is the same as 25 minutes before 6 o'clock. Exactly, guys. You have two ways. You can either say it's 5:25, or you can say 25 minutes are left for the next hour. Okay, you can check with digital clock also, guys, because this is representing hours and this is representing minutes. So this is very easy, guys. But we were learning one more way to read the time. Okay, in this way, this is very easy. What you have to do, you just have to write in the same way you are reading. 5:35, so you write 5:30-5. Okay, here the time is 3:05, so you will write 3:05 in that way. So that is a very easy way to write, but we were learning this method also. In this way, how we can write. So I was telling you that if it is at 1, so you will say 7, no, you will say 5 past 7. It is, let's suppose if it is at 1. If this is at 1, so you will not, you can say 7:05 as well, or you can say it is 5 past 7. It is 5 past 7. What does that mean, guys? What does that mean? That's mean 5 minutes have been passed after 7 o'clock. 5 minutes have been passed after 7 o'clock. Or like we see in the book, you can also say it is 7:05. You can write like this also. It is 5 past 7 or it is 7:05. Both are correct. Clear, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes. I have some.
Oh, very good, very good. Okay, now what you have to do, look, if I move this up to the 2. So now you will check how many minutes have been passed. Up to 10, 5 and 10. There are 10 minutes which have been passed. So you can say it is 10 past 7. It is 10 past 7. Or I can say it is 7:10. Okay, it is 7:10. And if it comes to here 3. So guys, here you will not say it is 15 past 7, because I told you 15 is the quarter of 60. There are total 60 minutes, 15 is the quarter of that. So instead of 15, you will always use the word quarter. It is quarter past 7. It is quarter past 7. Okay, or you will say it is quarter past 7, or you will say it is 7:15. It is 7:15. It is 7:15. Okay, if this comes to the here, all right, if it comes to here, so you can check the minute. How many minutes are there? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So you can say it is 25 past 7. Sorry, it is 25 past 7. I need to write down. I will write here. It is 25 past 7. It is 25 past 7. I can write like this. Okay, or I can say it is 7:25. It is 7:25. Clear, guys?
Sir, I write something in the chat.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay, Sharif. For you, I will do it. Okay. All right. So, guys, let's suppose if it comes to the 6. So, on the 6, you can see there are 30 minutes which have been passed. So, like 15 minutes you use quarter. So, for 30 minutes, you will always use half. For 30 minutes, you will always use half. So it is now half past 7. You will not say it is 30 past 7. You will say it is half past 7, or it is 7:30. In both way you can say. It is 7:30. In the numbers, how you will say? 7:30. It is half past 7. It is 7:30, or it is 7:30. 7:30, right? Let's suppose if it comes to here. Now guys, normally what we do, after 30 minutes, we check the time and we tell the time that how many minutes are left for the next hour. Okay, how many minutes are left for the next hour? So you can say it is 7:35. You can say like this, it is 7:35. You can also say it is 35 past 7, but it is good if you say it is 25 to 8. What does that mean, guys? It is 25 to 8. I will check how many minutes are left for the next hour. 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. 25 minutes are left for the next hour. Which is the next hour? 8. After 7, it will be 8 o'clock. So I am saying it is 25 to 8. That's mean 25 minutes are left for 8 o'clock. Clear, guys?
Yes,
There was
sir.
a
Yes.
that.
That's very good. Okay, guys. Uh, uh, I am not asking right now. I will give 2, 3 more examples. Then we will come to the book and we will solve book. And in the book, I will answer. I will take answers from you. Okay. So it is 25 to 8. Why 25 to 8? Because 25 minutes are left for the next hour. And which is the next hour? Next hour is 8. After 7 it will be 8 o'clock. Okay, let's suppose if it reaches up to here. Okay, now how you will tell the time? So you know, if you count the minutes, there are 40 minutes. So you can say it's 7:40. You can say it's 7:40, or you can check the time. How many minutes are left for the next hour? 5, 10, 15, and 20. 20 minutes are left for the next hour. And which is the next hour? Next hour is 8. So you will say it is 20 to 8. It is 20 to 8. It is 20 to 8. Clear, guys?
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. Look, I am going to change the time. It is now at 45. It is now at 45. Sorry, it is now at 9. So what does that mean, guys? That's mean it is 7:45. So you can write here 7, it is 7:45, or it is 7:45 in numbers like this. And here you can check how many minutes are left. 5, 10, 15. 15 to 8. If I write, guys, like this, it is 15 to 8. That will not be good. Why? Because I told you I will not use 15. Instead of 15, I will use quarter, because 15 is the quarter of the whole. There are total 60 minutes. So it is quarter to 8. It is quarter to 8, or it is 7:45. It is quarter to 8. Clear, guys?
Yeah.
Sir, sir. Because
Yes, sir.
it is called quarter to 8. Does
Very
this
good.
mean?
Exactly. It is quarter to 8. It is quarter to 8. So guys, when it comes to 15, you will say quarter past. Check the hour hand, and then check the long hand. If the long hand comes at 3, so you will say quarter past. Okay, if it comes at 6, you will say half past. After this, you will say it is quarter to. This is quarter to, and at 12, you know it, it is o'clock. So one more example, guys. Here, let's suppose it is like this. Okay, so how you can tell the time? This is our end is at 7, and this is at 10. So 7:50. So you can say this 7, or you can say 7:50, or you can check how many minutes are left for the next hour. 5 and 10. 10 minutes are left. So you will use 10. It is 10 to 8. That's mean 10 minutes are left for next hour. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
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 sir.
it means
Yes,
quarter to
sir.
8.
Very good. Now coming to the book, page number 156. Come here. Come to the book, page number 156. What is the time shown on each of these clocks? So first you have to tell me it is dash minutes after 9 o'clock. Check out the minute and tell me it is dash minutes after 9 o'clock. Yes, guys. How many minutes have been passed after 9 o'clock? Tell me in the chat, please. How many minutes have been passed after 9 o'clock? Okay, this I'm going to open your mic. You will tell me. How many minutes have been passed after 9 o'clock, guys?
Eight, 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 eight.
Guys, can you see the new screen? I have shared a book. Can you see the page number 156 on your screen?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Very good. Open your books page number 156 first. Okay, open your book page number 156, because you have to do with me. So guys, I am asking it is dash minutes after 9 o'clock. Look, this is shorthand. and this is longhand. This is for minutes and this is for hours. Now you have to tell me how many minutes have been passed after 9 o'clock.
After 9. After 9.
49, 49, 49, 49.
No, guys, I am asking how many minutes. How many minutes have been passed after 9 o'clock? 5 minutes have been passed, 10 minutes have been passed, 15 minutes have been passed. How many minutes? It is dash minutes after 9 o'clock. Check out the time. What time is it? How many minutes?
20, 20, 20. 20.
Exactly, guys. The answer is 20. It is 20 minutes after 9 o'clock. How do you know it is 20? Look, first the question is saying 9 o'clock. Look at the question, look at the clock and check the time. It is what? The hour is 9, between 9 and 10. That's mean hour is 9. Then how many minutes have been passed? Check out the minute hand. 5, 10, 15 and 20. So it is 9:20. Okay. How many minutes after 9 o'clock? So there are total 20 minutes after 9 o'clock. So it is dash. It is dash. So you can write in any way for your, because it is easy. So I'm going to write like this for you. It is 9:20. It is 9:20. It is 9:20. I write it is 9:20. Clear, guys? Hello.
Clear.
Maybe
Hey, what
No,
it mean?
sir.
Quarter to 8.
Who is saying no, 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 no? Okay. Or guys, if you write it, it's 20 past 9. That answer will be also correct. Like if you write it is 20 past 9. If you write like this will be also correct. Okay. But you can write this also. It's 9:20. It is 9:20. Now coming to the question number B. Question number 2B. Look at this question, guys. It is dash minutes before 6 o'clock. So what you have to check here, guys? You have to check here how many minutes are left for 6 o'clock. What time is it? Check the time right now. How you will check the time? You will check the hour. It is between 5 and 6. So right now hour is 5. And how many minutes? Up to 11, there are total 55 minutes. So you can say it is 5:55. Okay. Or you can say it is 5 minutes are left for the next hour. So here you will write it is 5 minutes before 6 o'clock. So it is, you can say 5:55 or it is 5 to 6. 5:55 or it is 5 to 6. You can write any answer here. Okay, either you can write it is 5:55 or you can say it is 5 to 6. Okay, it is 5 minutes before 6 o'clock. So you can write here it's 5:55 or it is 5 to 6. So I am writing here it is 5:55. It is 5:55. It is 5:55. It is 5:55. Clear, guys?
yes.
Yes.
That's
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Very good. Guys, these two clock answers you have to give, okay? This is the digital clock. You know, this is telling you the number of hours. 7 is number of hours and 40 is number of minutes. So it is dash. You can tell me in any way, okay? You can tell me in any way. Like this time is it's 5:55 also and it's 5 to 6 also. Okay? Both are correct. So anyway, which is easy for you, you can tell me the answer. Sharif Ahmad is asking, it is quarter to 8. What does this mean? Quarter means 15 minutes. I told you quarter means 15. When you use word to, that's mean that minutes are left. So quarter to means 15 minutes are left. 15 minutes are left. Quarter to 8, that's mean 15 minutes are left for 8 o'clock. 15 minutes are left for 8 o'clock. Okay, that means 7:45. Quarter to 8 means 7:45. Yes, guys, tell me the time. 7:40, this one. How to write? What should I write here? Answer me in the chat box, please. What you will write here? It is 7:40. It is dash. It is already written here. You don't need to write it in numbers. You have to write it in words. Very good, Adam. Muhammad Al Harbi. Incomplete answer. Ahmad Yusuf. You don't need to write in the numbers. You have to write in the words. Very good, Muhammad Al Harbi. Amal.
Yes.
What time is it? How to write? What should I write here? It is
7:40 in words.
okay. Tell me the spelling. Yes.
SEVEN
Yes.
FOUR.
FORTY. That's very good. Okay, let me take Sharif with you. He's asking too many questions. Yes, Sharif.
here. I don't mean what is the quarter and 8. I mean what does it mean to
Two
to?
TO2 means
It means past or what?
no. It means how many minutes are
Uh,
left for the next hour.
how many minutes are
Left.
main
Yeah,
are
minutes are
left?
left. Yes, for next hour. Look, it is at 11. Okay. So
Okay.
if you count in fives from 12 up to here, so it will take too much time. So it's better just take from 11 to 12, 5 minutes, and you say 5 minutes are left for 6 hour, for 6 o'clock. So you will say it is 5 to 6. It is 5 to 6. That's mean 5 minutes are left for 6 o'clock.
Okay, and the time it is 7 7:40.
It is 7.
7 SCSCEVEN
Hmm.
40 FORTY.
Very good. It is 7:40. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. So guys, the answer of this is it is 7:40. It is 7:40. Clear?
Clear.
Yes.
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 Very good. Now you have to write the time here. It is dash. It is dash 12:05. So how you will write? You will write here it is 12 You will write in that way. It is 12:05. It is 12:05. Or you can also say, guys, it is 5 past 12. If you write it is 5 past 12, that is also correct. Sorry, I write it is 2. It should be only 5 because it is already written here. It is 9:20, it is 5:55, it is 7:40, and it is 12:05. Clear, guys?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes. Yes.
Very good. Question number 3 we have already completed. Coming to the question number 4. In question number 4, what you have to do, guys, draw in the missing minute hands to show the time. Minutes hand, 20 minutes after 8. Look, it is 8 o'clock. You have to write 20 minutes after 8 o'clock. So for here, 0 minutes, 5, 10, 15, and 20 minutes here at 4. So you will have to draw a minute hand here, which come exactly at 4. So it will be 8:20. It is 20 minutes after 8 now. Okay, guys, you have to draw a minute hand here. Minute hand is a longer hand. The time is 20 minutes after 8. So you will count 5, 10, 15, 20 and draw a hand at 4. Clear?
Okay, clear, clear, but
Yeah.
read
Okay,
this
sir. Yeah.
to us,
Yes.
students.
Very good, very good. Now you have to draw in your book for 1:15 also. 1:15 mean quarter past 1. So you have to draw for here also. For 15, count from 12. 5, 10, and 15 and draw where you should draw that hand, minute hand. So it is 0, it is 5, it is 10. And yes, guys, tell me, where should I draw a minute hand? At which number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which number?
Hannes.
Three, three, three.
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 Very good. I should draw it at 3 because it is 1:15. So I draw it at 3. Now, guys, the next time is 3:45. 3:45. So now you have to tell me where I should draw a minute hand. You just have to tell me the number. To 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which number I should draw a minute hand? Tell me your answers in the chat box, guys. 3:45. Yes, answer me. Very good, Ayan. Abdul Rahim, very good. Sharif, very good. Miraj, very good. Sharif Ahmad, check your answer. It is not 8. Okay, it is 3:45, but that's not the question. You know it from the book. The question is where to draw a minute hand. Okay, if it is 3:45, where should you draw minute hand? At which number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which number you will draw? Muhammad Farooq, no. Ali, very good. Muhammad Farooq, now very good. Guys, it is very easy. 3:45 means 3:45 means 45 minutes after 3 o'clock. So check 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Up to 6 there are 30 minutes. 35, 40 and 45. So 9 is the number where 45 minutes, when you count in fives, there will be 45 minutes. So it is 3:45 means you should draw a hand on 9. So you will draw a hand here from that to 9. Clear, guys?
Sir, I
Yes,
know to tell the
sir.
time.
Yes,
I know to tell
yes,
the time.
That's very good.
yes,
I know.
Okay, Sharif, I got it. That's very good. All right, guys. So complete it in your book fast. Draw the minute
I
hands.
finished. I finished
And
I
all.
finished it all. Me too. Me too. Me too. Me too. Go up.
that's very good. Okay, I can go up. No problem. But the question number 3, we have finished first. 7:40, 12:05, 5:55, 9:20. Okay. You can also say 20 past 9. You can also say it's 5 to 6. You can also say it's 20 to 8. This time, guys, you can also say it's 20 to 8 because 20 minutes are left for the next hour. So you can say it's 20 to 8. Or you can say 5 past 12. It is 5 past 12. So I taught you both ways to tell the time. Okay. You can tell the time in the numbers. You can tell the time in that way, and you can tell the time in the third way which I have taught you. Okay. In the exam, you can write both ways. If I ask you to write the time in words, so you can write like this also, or you can write it's 20 to 8 also. You can write 12:05 like this also, or you can write it's 5 past 12 also. I will accept both answers. Okay, guys?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay. Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir.
Oh,
All right, guys. So our class time is finished, and we will continue. We will have worksheet. Okay. I will give you that worksheet tomorrow. Okay. First, we will do that worksheet, some of the questions in class. Then I'll give you that worksheet, and you will complete the rest of the question. Clear?
Yes. Yes.
yes.
Bye, bye, bye,
That's very good.
bye.
That's
Bye,
very
sir.
good.
Bye.
That's very good. Okay, guys. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye,
Bye
bye, bye.
bye.